Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you a little experiment I carried out with my bike in order to see if my rectifier and 5 volts voltage regulator circuit works well. So here's everything I've connected. We have the analog discovery device I use as an oscilloscope and my circuit. This circuit rectifies the signal coming from Shimano hub AC signal using this diode bridge and capacitor, and then regulates the signal to 5 volts DC with this little circuit and some other capacitors and this center diode. The analog discovery channel 1 is connected to the output of the Shimano hub, so we'll see AC current, and the second channel of the oscilloscope is connected to the output of the circuit, so we'll see the signal we get in the computer. If I speed up the wheel, we get two signals. So here we have channel 1 and channel 2, yellow and blue. The yellow one is from the Shimano hub, and the blue one is the output of my circuit. We see that it's quite flat, the output signal, so the circuit does its job well. So the output signal stops at 5 volts. 5 volts because I used a 5 volts center diode. As the wheel slows down, the signal goes to 0 volts slowly because I have this big capacitor, and well, this is what I wanted you to see. Also, you see that the AC signal amplitude is no larger than 10 volts. This may be because the Shimano hub is supplying energy to the circuit as well as to front and back lights. If I disconnect my circuit, we'll see a bigger signal. As you see, I have disconnected my circuit from Shimano hub, and we get a signal slightly above 10 volts. However, only slightly, because the lights are still on. But if I turn off the lights, we'll see even a bigger signal. You see? More than 25 volts. So Shimano hub generator is quite powerful. If I turn on the lights, it shrinks. Well, here I have my circuit. This is the diode bridge, this is the big capacitor I used for the rectify stage, and this is the voltage regulator stage. I should say these two capacitors I use for the voltage regulator are not of the same capacity as recommended for the LM3170 circuit, but they worked for me and I'm going to use them. This is the center diode. I attached this diode to the circuit in order to get 5 volts at most of the output signal. Otherwise, I could get more than 5 volts in the output of the circuit. Well, I hope you've learned something new. I have learned plenty of things in this project. I will leave you the sketch of my circuit if you want to use it. And I have to say, I am very surprised at how the analog discovery oscilloscope works. It's very, very useful for these little projects and extremely easy to use. Thanks for watching.